Hello and welcome. This is Chichi Barnabas, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how you can save a lot of money and yet make a lot of money on KDP. If you stay with me to the end of this video, that is what you're going to be learning. And if you are new to my channel, please do well to like, to share, and to subscribe. And this is a channel that teaches you everything that you need to know to become a successful self-published author. Now, if you're coming to KDP, you will realize that the kind of information you have is very vital to your success in this publishing space. Now, when I began early, I didn't have access to a lot of information that was going to help my journey, and so I struggled over the years before I began to figure out how I could make money on KDP. And I'm going to shorten the journey for you if you go follow the steps I'm going to share with you in this video. Now, of course, you know that the quality of knowledge that you have will determine how much you're going to be making on KDP. Now, most times people go through the route of using YouTube videos. Of course, you can learn a lot from YouTube videos, but I tell you, it will take you a lot of time if you want to acquire a premium knowledge from YouTube and Google. So in order to shorten that curve, you will need someone who can take you by the hand to lead you through this journey and to help you to succeed on KDP within a short time. And that is the exact thing that Corvin and Cleo just did by putting together a course that will save you a lot of time. Not just that, it will save you a lot of money. Just imagine that you were going to be paying for all the tools that are going to help you to be successful on KDP. You will be spending so much. Let's say, for instance, you wanted to pay for Helium 10, which is a keyword research tool that people use in order to get keywords online. Now, you will see that, look at the pricing alone. It says that the starter plan goes for $39 a month, and if you want to purchase for an entire year, that's going to be $339 per year. And if you look at the platinum plan, it goes for $99 per month and then $999 per year, and then the diamond plan goes for $249. And you can see how much you are going to be paying just for a keyword research tool that will give you access to keywords that you can publish on KDP. Now, let's imagine that you wanted to use Publisher Rocket in order to begin to understand keyword research and get profitable keywords that you can be publishing your books through. You are going to be spending nothing less than $97 just to acquire this tool alone. You can see the price is showing right here. Now, let's say you wanted to go for a cheaper option by going for KDP Spy. You will see that you will still be spending at least $59 in order to purchase this tool for yourself that will help you to publish on KDP. And if you scroll down here, you will see that the price is written right here, $59 for you, for a one-time payment for you to get this tool. And most times, you know that when you acquire all of these tools, you are still confused, because now most times they keep giving you different results or different search volumes that you'll be unable to decide which is more accurate, because sometimes they will be giving you conflicting ideas in order for you to do that. But like I mentioned before, Corvin Stone has created a very wonderful course that has swallowed up all of this, and with a little price you will have access to not only the course itself that teaches you everything from beginner to advanced, but also gives you the tool in addition that you don't need to be spending extra dollars in order to acquire the tools and then to acquire the information that you need in order to make money on KDP. Now, let's look at some of the tools that Corvin Stone has produced. Now, you will see that here on his KDP tool, and this is a free tool. I have been using it. It's very effective, and you can see the reviews that are there for 4.7 ratings on just this tool, and you can see the number of users there. So Corvin Stone is helping over 50,000 publishers with his free tool that they are using to begin to make money on KDP. And then you can see that apart from that, he also has another free tool that this one is not used so much like the first one, but you find that there are a lot of users on this tool, over 40,000 users, and you can see that it also has over 4.3 average review to tell you that these free tools are very effective even to the users. And it is this same person, Corvin Stone, that has created a course that I'll be introducing you into today if you want to take your KDP journey to the next levels. Apart from the free Chrome extensions I've shown you, Corvin Stone has gone ahead to also create other free tools that can help you to beat time, save money, and 10x your progress and make more money on KDP. Now, if you go over here to the tools, you see that it has other free tools that you can take advantage of, such as the pen name generator, the QR code generator, the KDP book category finder, the KDP PSL sales calculator, and the KDP calculator. Now you can see that these are tools that you can take advantage of for free. And apart from that, he also has a free low content maker that allows you to make a number of books all for free. And now, if all these tools are for free and you are enjoying them, imagine what you will get inside the course when you get the course for yourself. Now, when you get a course for yourself, you are paying just $97 and it's for lifetime. And this $97 is going to give you access to his private Facebook support group. Of course, you need a support of other publishers where you can be asking questions and get help in order to progress as quickly as possible and make a lot of sales as you publish on KDP. He also has these new tools that are going to help you to find more profitable keywords. So instead of paying for KDP Rocket, instead of paying for KDP Spy, instead of paying for Helium 10, you will have access to these tools just by paying the $97 in order to access this course. And then you can see, if you want to go through the overview, you can see that a lot of stuff have been covered here in this course. He has an overview of the entire course. He has getting started, and this is effective for many who are starting KDP for the first time. He has also covered 6 KDP mindsets that you need in order to be successful publishing on Amazon, and he has discussed how you can make your first 1,000, and all the lessons are right there. He has also covered the type of books that you can publish on this platform. He has also included some free KDP tools that you can use, some of which I have shown you before. And he has also gone ahead to talk about niches that you can tap into immediately to begin to make a lot of sales on KDP. He has covered everything that you need to know about titles and ranking on the Amazon platform. He has also covered everything you need to know about book cover. Now, if you have created your books and your book covers are not great, you will not make a lot of sales. This course teaches you everything about covers and then the ones that sell and how you can effectively use your back-end keywords for your advantage. He has also covered issues related to trademark and copyright, which most times get people account terminated if you don't know what to do. And he has taught you how to hire and find good cover designers, good interior designers that can help you even with the process. He has also taught you how you can write a good book description and find the best niches, and how you can go about your pricing, and how you can get reviews for your books, and how you can launch your book correctly, and how you can upload your first book if you have never done this before. And of course, to know that Amazon has added the A+ content for all publishers right now, that they can take advantage on how they can take advantage of it to promote their books. And in this course, you will be learning exactly how to do that. And he has also taught you about the pros and the tips of KDP, and he has gone into Amazon ads, guys. This is huge because not every course covers the aspect of Amazon ads, and Corvin Stone has gone from the basics to the advanced with his course. And he has even taught how you can run ads if you are on a budget. How good can that be? And he has explained how you can run manual ads and how you can run automated ads. And he has taught a very great launching strategy that can help you to sell more books if you follow his strategy. And he has also taught you how you can scale and optimize your ads and have more sales to your book. So if you are looking to start your KDP journey, I would advise that you pick this course immediately and begin to study it and begin to take advantage of all the tools that are there and save a lot of cash on getting a lot of other tools that may get you confused, and then focus on the tools that he has provided here and save all those hundreds of dollars and get this course, and you will not regret it. Thank you very much for staying with me to the end of this video. And please, if you have not subscribed, do want to subscribe and do well to use that link. It's an affiliate link, and I tell you that you're not going to be paying extra for it. So just go ahead and click the link and purchase the course, as that is what is going to help to support my channel and help me to come up with content and great content like this on our YouTube channel. Thank you very much for staying with me to the end of this video, and until then, see you in our next video.